Have you ever wondered what would happen if you drank pineapple water every morning for a year? Today, we'll explore the amazing benefits of this simple habit. Stay tuned to find out. Pineapple water is more than just a refreshing drink. It's packed with nutrients and enzymes that can have a powerful impact on your health. Drinking it every morning can provide numerous benefits. Let's dive into what you can expect after a year of this healthy habit. First, let's talk about improved digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and aids in digestion. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, bromelain can reduce bloating, constipation, and indigestion, making your digestive system more efficient over time. Next, you'll notice better skin health. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and boost collagen production. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition states that these nutrients can improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and give you a healthy glow. Drinking pineapple water can also boost your immune system. The high vitamin C content strengthens your body's natural defenses, helping you ward off common illnesses. Research published in the Nutrition and Health Journal shows that regular intake of vitamin C can reduce the duration and severity of colds. Another significant benefit is improved heart health. Pineapple contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. According to the Journal of Hypertension, these elements can lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. You'll also experience increased energy levels. Pineapple water provides a natural source of energy due to its vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin B6, which aids in energy production. The Journal of Applied Physiology highlights that maintaining adequate levels of these nutrients can reduce fatigue and improve your overall energy. Incorporating pineapple water into your morning routine is easy. Just add a few slices of fresh pineapple to a pitcher of water and let it infuse overnight. Drink it first thing in the morning for the best results. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing these benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have you tried drinking pineapple water? Share your experiences in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you next time on Natural Healthy Care.